Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some things that I got in PR. Excuse the hair, I just slicked it up with some water, so it's been a minute, so it's kind of like not behaving, and I didn't put any gel in it because I'm getting ready to wash and henna my hair. So I was like, well, no need to do anything now because later on I'm going to be redoing my hair. So a couple things. One, I have been really under the weather lately. Look at me. It's been a couple of days in Costa Rica and I forget how to speak English. Apologies, babe. So I've been under the weather lately. Just putting some Burt's Bees on. And so I haven't had a chance to like film anything. I've got like a lot of PR packages behind me piled up. So I figured today's the day. I'm going live a little bit later with my Sunday sips. But before I do that, I did want to use some of the things that I got in PR because there are some new products that I had wanted to try. So I want to make sure we open those. So without further delay, let me just jump in and start opening up these boxes. Okay, shall we? Yes, we shall. All right. First box. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got. Okay, so I got the Coola Hydrating Sunscreen Lotion, fragrance-free. It is with an SPF of 50 and it's clear, non-greasy, plus plant protection. Okay. And it's water resistant for 80 minutes. So here it is. Next up, I had already opened this, but I wanted to show you what they are. These are Muck Luxe. These are Shorty Lounge Crew socks, fully cushioned foot, lightweight, cozy yarn. Came in 2 colors, one coral and one is like a oatmeal color. So I got 2 from Muck Luxe. Thank you, Muck Luxe. It's a little smaller, but you know, sometimes big things come in small packages. So let's see. Ah, okay. Another sunscreen. This is a mineral sunscreen. It has an SPF of 34. This is by Well People. It's called the Day Gleamer Mineral Sunscreen Serum, Broad Spectrum, SPF 34. All right, so we definitely have to try this out, babes. So we got 2. We got something from Well People, and then we got this one from Coola. We're gonna be all set. Ooh. Ain't my channel if I'm not dropping ish like a pigeon, right? All right, so we've got something from Well People and now something from Coola. Let's see what else we got, shall we? Okay, another small box. Ah, this is from IT Cosmetics. This is a color correcting full coverage cream, anti-aging hydrating serum with a broad spectrum SPF 50 plus UVA and UVB clear sunscreen. And this is in the shade Rich Cool, which I think will work for me, but we will try this out in a trying new makeup coming soon. We got some Freebie Friday gifts, so let's open those up. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got the OC or Osei. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's the Sea Glow Resurfacing Scrub. This is a cleansing face exfoliator. I can smell it through the box. It smells very, very clean. Passionately run by our family since 1996. Wow. All right. Exfoliate and glow. Unleash your inner radiance and shine like a star with our ultimate multitasking exfoliator plus cleanser. Experience the power of flower acids that resurface and revitalize to reveal smooth, glowing skin that is simply out of this world. Okay. Apply to face, gently massage, and then rinse. Use 2 to 3 times a week. I love it. Thank you. I love my Freebie Fridays. Freebie Fridays is something that I offer to my paid members every Friday. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, which is usually like $12.95, but you get such great products. So here's another one, Freebie Friday. Open that. This is another company that I absolutely love. This is Shannon. This is the Body Reform Treatment Serum with 2% Grand Active Retinoid. It's used to retexturize, brighten, and firm the skin. Oh, this is nice. So it was inspired by her best-selling Retinol Reform for the face. I use that. She created the Body Reform to address her clients' common body concerns: rough texture, crepey skin, and hyperpigmentation. Nice, quick absorbing formula, powered by a trio of actives, including a 2% Grand Active Retinoid formulated especially for the body, which works overtime to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles, vitamin C to brighten dark spots, and hydronesis, which is clinically proven to reduce red bumps caused by keratosis pilaris. It is your ultimate multitasker for smoother, firmer, and brighter looking skin from head to toe. Wow. And again, it's full size. So again, I'm not telling you what you should do with your money, but you might want to join the Bella Brigade. Prices start at 99 cents on up to $9.99. Not trying to break the bank here, but it's really a good buy to get your hands on such great products. So definitely one to consider. All right, this next one, I think I actually got this myself, and I ordered it because I loved the color. You'll see in a moment why I got it. But I am excited because I forgot that I even ordered this because it took forever to get here. But alas, it is here. So let me share with you what it is. Looks good. Okay. So it is a pink and green sweater, cropped. It's got little hearts on it. It's for Valentine's Day, but of course I didn't get this on Valentine's Day. I got it much later. But let me model it for you. And I love the buttons on here too. That was another thing that kind of captured me. But I always need sweaters because I'm always cold nowadays. And so this kind of helps me out in that regard. All right, so let's put it on. Love the sleeves. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like on. here's what it looks like. So cute. So cute. Okay. We like it. I'm a little more skinty now. But, yeah, I got it in a medium. But I feel like with this sweater, you probably have to put on, like it's probably it'll lay better with a blouse rather than this other sweater that I have on underneath. So that's one thing to note, that I would have to wear it with a thinner blouse. But I like it, it's very cute. Okay. So that was the sweater. Okay, so I have two more gifts, one of which I already opened. This is the Geski, and this is the Sonic Facial Roller 4-in-1. Babes, I love this. Such great innovation. First of all, you can download the app, which I already did, and follow along. It will scan your face and show you like what things you should do for your face. I love this product, and I am definitely going to do a dedicated video on this, but just want to share with you. So you hold it for 2 seconds and allow it to start. These are pulsating, and then you just go in. And for like this part of my face where I have those folds from smiling, whatnot, I love that this helps kind of diminish that puffiness right around here. Frown lines, which I have like right around here. And like the pulsating action feels so good. You can use this on your neck. When I wasn't feeling well these past few weeks, I've been using it to like, you know, just help me out because I felt really blah. So love that. We'll definitely do a dedicated video on it, show you the app and all of that stuff. And then finally, this box, and this one's a bigger box, so I don't know what's in here, but we shall see. Okay. So these are some Reebok socks that I got from Reebok. And who can't use black socks, right? I love these. And I love the little shorty ones because I can stick them in my feet and then put my sneakers on and like the socks won't show. So I love that. So this is 6 pairs of the Performance Cotton No Show women's socks. Moisture control, arch support, and a cotton blend. Full fiber content on back. Okay. Thank you, Reebok, an influencer, for my socks. I love this. Didn't have to send that big ass box though. All right, babe, so that is everything that I got in PR. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Bye, babes.